While the market seems too volatile at the moment for Shiba Inu, the latest news surrounding this meme token say otherwise. A crypto whale has bought around 20 trillion Shiba Inu worth $1.13 billion. We are giving away $200 to 3 of our random subscribers to start their crypto journey. 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, worth over $1.13 billion, were transferred from Crypto.com to an unknown address. It feels that the token will again rally to the upward trend sooner as demand for the meme coin seems to increase with the current dips. Some may contradict, saying that this buying may end up further lowering the value of the token. But that will only happen if the whale decides to get rid of all the tokens, pushing further the selling trend. That is completely unlikely, as the whale will not want to put himself in loss too. What's more, in a Twitter post, referring to a report from WhaleStats, it was made clear that among 941,048 Shib holders, there are 100 whales acquiring 8% of the total supply. This means that the amount isn't that huge, and we must not worry if a whale suddenly plans to load off the owned Shib token, furthering the selling trend. We may experience short-term dips, but that is still negligible when analyzing the future returns that the coin will offer in the future. Shiba Inu has undoubtedly performed better than expected. With such huge gains and acquiring vast market capital, the token now sits among the top coins. There have been many wars already fought and won. Coinbase, the largest US crypto exchange, unlike Robinhood or Kraken that isn't still allowing trading with Shib tokens, listed the digital currency in September. They already have been able to turn that decision into high gains. It looks like the brand name within the crypto industry is open to taking more risks than the other players in the market. In the meantime, the petition to list Shiba Inu on Robinhood already has over 20,000 signatures so far. While the exchange is staying away from making any comments on the listing of the token any sooner, the praise for the coin by the company's COO did make some tide in the favor of the coin. Christine Brown, the Chief Operating Officer (COO) of Robinhood, praised the Shiba Inu community for expressing their desires clearly about the listing. However, there was no clue given about the listing of the token on the platform any sooner. Moving on, there are other price predictions that may interest new investors to dig in while the chart is still in the downtrend momentum. Jordan McCreary, the founding partner of Ingrained Media, talked about how bullish he is about the meme coin, quoting his statement, "I believe Shiba has some real potential to grow from its fraction of a cent amount to 1 cent or greater." Not just that, the Binance CEO also seemed too faithful in the performance of the meme coin and believes that the Shib token will soon reach 3 cents anytime. Well, comments like that from someone who understands the ins and outs of the crypto world cannot be taken for granted. Binance, the global blockchain company running the world's largest crypto exchange in terms of trading volume as well as the number of active users, also offer trading with Shiba Inu. The company recently acquired CoinMarketCap with an aim to make cryptocurrency more accessible for everyone. That brings us to the next very important update coming from the CoinMarketCap exchange. Traders found out some changes on the platform related to the total supply of the Shib token in circulation and accused the company of manipulation. CoinMarketCap changed the Shiba Inu volume on their platform from 394 trillion to 549 trillion, increasing the circulation of supply. When accused of rendering with the data, CoinMarket replied, "We received feedback from some of our users that our circulating supply for Shib was static and not updating dynamically, which prompted an internal audit. After a review, we refreshed the data on the backend and the figures are now updating dynamically." It bears mentioning that the audit has brought the circulating supply in line with figures from several other data sources. Well, this update did lead the token's market cap to increase by about $10 billion. But at the same time, the Shibarmy is worried a little about the dilution of the meme coin's value that may soon follow after the increase in the token in circulation. While all that is happening around, the hope still falls in the lap of the meme coin once again. Shiba Inu has been showing downside momentum lately. This is causing a little insecurity among the investors. However, looking at the brighter side, the coin soon will be hitting the next all-time high, as it did in the past. Thankfully, the bearish moments are also a signal for the next milestone in shape. According to a report by ICO Analytics, Shiba Inu was the most discussed coin on Twitter the last month, leaving Bitcoin and Ethereum way behind. This talks about the popularity of the meme coin as well as the strength of the community behind the token. Shiba Inu flaunts 22% of the attention while the second most talked crypto, Ethereum, was able to gain only 8% of the interest from Twitter users. This massive difference between the first and the second contestant leads us to believe that there are many more victories still ahead of the Shib token. It must be a relief for Shib investors to know that there was no other cryptocurrency closer to the popularity that the meme coin enjoyed on Twitter the last month. Isn't that the beginning of a new era? The most recent cryptocurrency gained the highest liking from the Twitter community, where the ones that existed for much long suffered a huge beat. The online channels couldn't resist the spark, and in no time, the articles started flooding the internet. CryptoGlobe quoted, "Shiba Inu, Shib, was the most popular cryptocurrency on Twitter last month, data shows." Gadgets 360 reported, Shiba Inu beats Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin as most popular cryptocurrency on Twitter. The Indian Express quoted in an article, Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu was the most discussed cryptocurrency on Twitter during the month of October, as per the data compiled by ICO Analytics. The analysis firm revealed the 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter, and Shiba Inu has emerged as a clear winner, receiving a 22% share of all crypto assets discussions on the platform, dwarfing Ethereum by 8.1% and Bitcoin by 7.2%. This is not it. The community in the meantime is preparing for a great uptrend ahead. But before getting to further details, hit the subscribe and like button to keep making Shibarmy stronger. In the recent race to make Shiba more attractive than other listings, the community supporting meme coin keeps talking about the burns. In the last week, Shiba Inu coin burned 700 million tokens. While this may look like a huge number, we still aren't there. And we do need a more sophisticated burning process to handle the supply and demand equation more wisely. Planet Crypto reported, 705 million Shib was destroyed in the last 7 days as community efforts to burn Shib continue, but this number isn't as high as you'd first think. It further added, looking at this number, 705 million Shib represents just 0.00012% of the total 549 trillion Shib in circulation. At this rate, it will take a whopping 150 years to burn just 1% of the circulating Shib. We hope that the Shibarmy will come up with better plans in the coming time. And, most probably, as we speak, the team must be planning to implement a more top-notch and significant burning mechanism that is consistent and rewarding in its upcoming launch of the Shibarium Layer 2, which already is intending to cut down the gas fees. It is obvious that Shiba Inu's rally for the moon isn't just an infeasible dream. There is a lot of work happening to realize what may seem impossible to some currently. From being another meme coin like Dogecoin to becoming a new benchmark for the entire crypto world, Shiba Inu has broken many records in just a year of its existence. Therefore, apart from these current dips, which for many is an opportunity to still get in, the future still looks promising. And, if you are bullish too, do not forget to make your move while you can. However, do remember that this video is only for educational purposes and by no means financial advice. Hence, you must do your own research before investing. And, only invest the amount you can afford to lose. After all, with bigger profit opportunities, the risks multiply as well. So, stay safe and keep listening to our channel for more videos on cryptos and related updates.